Hello friends, welcome to Data Science Lovers. Here is a data analytics project for your resume or to submit in your college. This project is completely solved with the help of Python and it is in Jupyter notebook here. In this project, we have analyzed the dataset of a European telecom company. First of all, we have imported the required libraries in this Jupyter notebook. Then we have imported our dataset. This is our dataset which is containing about 3000 rows and 21 columns. Then we have used different functions to analyze this data. We have used head function, tail function, information function. We have determined the shape, the ununique function we have used, columns, d types, describe function which is mainly used, and then we have checked for the missing and duplicate values in this dataset using isNA or isNull function and notNA or notNull function. Then we have used duplicated function and drop duplicates to remove the duplicate rows from this dataset. Then we have analyzed 9 columns one by one of this dataset. So we have used value count function. We have draw a donut chart of this variable, our first column. Then we have used count plot. Then we analyzed our second column or second variable, the state variable. Here we have used an unique value counts. Again we have drawn a count plot and one more count plot. The group by function we have used here. The line chart, the cross tab function, info function, how to sort the values. Then we analyzed our third column. And here are the functions that we have used. This is the count plot for this column. Analyzed the fourth column, different functions. Here we have created a new data frames from our old data frames also. Then we have drawn a distribution plot here. Also one more distribution plot. Our next column is analyzed international plan column using different functions like this. Again we have drawn a donut chart which is you can say just like a pie chart. Again count plot, the next column, the count plot in more colorful way. The donut chart again for this column. The next column is analyzed. As you can see, all the codes are in Python and we have given all the comments for these codes so that you can easily understand and explain to others also each line of code, and for each line of code we have given the comments. The distribution plot, the box plot here. Then we have analyzed the next column. Here we have used the cross tab function, the count plot with different colors. Our last column, per minute charge. Here we have used mean and we have drawn the bar plot. So friends, if you need this project, I can provide the source code of this complete project in the form of a Jupyter notebook or in the form of a PDF. You can easily understand with these comments that we have given against each line of code, and you can submit in your college also, or you can use it in your resume. You can buy this project source codes from the link given in the description of this video, and the proper explanation of this project will be uploaded in our upcoming videos. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. And if you like this project, kindly hit the like button and share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you friends.